Hello, flag football coaches and flag football players. My name is Football Coach Allen, and today I'm going to give you some drop back flag football plays that you can run with your 6-on-6 flag football team. Let's get down to the clipboard and let's check these out. Okay, so these are some Twins drop back flag football plays. Now, what we're going to start with is obviously player 1 getting that ball, and we're going to have player 6. He's going to go straight downfield as far as he can go, or really as far as the quarterback can throw. Next, what we're going to have is player 3 and player 2. They are both going to be going up 10 to 15 yards straight down, and then they're going to be cutting back down towards the line of scrimmage at a 45-degree angle. Next, we're going to be having player 4 and 5 cutting out at that 5 or 10-yard line towards the sidelines, and they are your number 1 options for the main fact that hopefully player 2 and 3 pulled the defenders downfield so that they can have some nice short yardage to then receive the ball for players 4 and 5. In this next play, player 6 again goes straight downfield. We're going to have player 4 go straight towards the 5-yard line, and he has the option, depending on what his defender is doing, to go left or right. Same as player 5, except he's going to be curling out a little bit and then down to the 5-yard line and cutting out left or right, again depending on what the defense is giving him. Next, we're going to be having player 2 and player 3 cutting in at a 45-degree angle and then cutting downfield another 10 yards. At this point, they're going to be then cutting back in towards the center of the field, and they will be your backup options if player 4 and 5 are not open. In this third flag football play now, what we're going to be having is player 5. He's going to be cutting out at a 45-degree angle towards the line of scrimmage, and he's going to be cutting back across the line of scrimmage towards that left side. Next, we're going to be having player 3 curling out towards the right sideline, but basically across center field. And player 2 is going to do the exact same thing 5 yards farther downfield. Next, we're going to be having player 6. He's going to be going a 45-degree angle out towards the 5-yard line, cutting down another 10, and then out towards the left sideline. And we're going to be then having player 4 going down 10 to 15 yards and cutting back across the line or across the field. Our number 1 option is player 2 because the other defensive players should be preoccupied with player 4 as well as player 3. However, one of those 3 players should be open cutting across the field. In our fourth play, what we're going to be having is player 6 curling out at the 5-yard line towards the right sideline, and player 3 is going to be following suit at the 5-yard line. Next, we're going to be having player 2 cutting downfield towards till the 10 to 15-yard line, and he is then going to be cutting 45-degree angles out towards the center of the field. We are then going to be having player 4 cutting straight out for 5 yards towards the sideline, and he's going to be going straight down the sideline. And then finally, we're going to be having player 5. He is going to be then cutting out past the hash marks to the line of scrimmage, and then he's going to be cutting back across the center of the field. Our number 1 option here is player 3, and our backup is player 5 a little bit farther downfield. Again, the reason behind this one is the defense should be chasing player 6. These 2 players have drawn at least 2 to 3 defensive players out towards the right side. So really, player 5 should be open somewhere in this area, or player 3 could be open somewhere between this area. Now in our 5th and of 6th plays, what we're going to be having here is player 4 as well as player 3. They're going to be cutting right towards the center of the field. Once they get there, they're going to be cutting back out towards the sidelines. At the same time, we're going to be having player 6. He's going to be going down towards the 10 to 15-yard line. He's going to be curling out towards the left side. And then we're going to be having player 5 going straight out towards the sideline and down the sideline. And we're going to be having player 2. He's going to be doing a 45-degree angle out towards the 5-yard line, down 10, and then 45-degree angles across the field. Now, what we're going to be having as our number 1 option is player 3. He should be open considering that we are drawing the defense towards the sideline over here, and we're drawing the defense downfield over here with player 6. So between those two players, we should be able to get player 3 open in that area right there. Now in our 6th and final play, we're going to be having player 3 going down about 5 yards. He's going to be doing a quick zigzag out towards the left sideline. We're going to be doing the exact same for player 2. And then we're going to be having player 5 follow player 3, but going straight downfield without any more zigzags, but going down exactly where player 3 started. And then we're going to be having our center, player 6, going down 10 yards and cutting out towards the left side, and player 4 doing a straight 45-degree angle out towards the right sideline and then going straight down. What we're going to be looking at as our number 1 option is player 3. He should be getting or being able to get the ball downfield if we were to lead the pass downfield. I hope that these plays help your team win more games. If they do, let us know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you guys again in our next video.